Welcome or welcome back to another video of me recreating every single granny square from this Granny Square sourcebook. Today's video is part of the animal series again, and it's Mafuta the Hippo Square. Very cute and very simple too, and I think there won't be too much sewing, so that's great. And I've got my colors right here. Now, I don't know if any of you guys are going to notice, but my dress is a little tight. I'm a little worried I'm going to pop a button, but if that happens, let's just not talk about it, okay? But let's hope it's not going to happen. Name familiar. I was like Mufata. I was thinking of Mufasa. Mufasa is not a hippo though. I wonder if I'm gonna have enough this time around. I'm really running out of it and I'm not, I thought I had enough, but maybe I'm gonna have to switch colors. We'll see. If I don't have enough, I'm gonna be sorely disappointed. Maybe this will be a real yarn chicken race. Chicken yarn. Yarn chicken race. Will I have enough for one last row? I'm not sure. See, I have this much left and I still have 2 edges to do. I don't have enough. I'm gonna have to correct. Okay, I have an idea to fix this. Wait. Here's what I'm thinking. I could undo what I just did, those 2 edges that are a bunch of half double crochets, and I could use this one and do the final edge with a slightly darker purple. I feel like that could work, but also it would take away from like the uniform background from the rest. I really want it to be uniform. Oh, I was so close to the end too. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna get this wrapped up again. I am also gonna redo the edge with one color that'll be a tiny bit darker, and then I will be right back. Oops. Okay, so I did not run out this time, which isn't really surprising because I had so much of it left. And now it's time to add the finishing touches. The snout was asking to add some chain 3 picot, and I wasn't sure what to do, but if I looked at this, I did something that I think works. I think that might be the nostrils or something. Anyway, let's assemble. Okay, now that it's on the block, you can really see that it doesn't really pop as much as the other ones. I mean, it's cute and everything, but how many of you guys would think this is a mouse if I didn't say it was a hippo? It just doesn't give the same amount of impact as the other ones did. The other ones was like, bam, a lion, bam, a zebra, bam, an elephant. But this one is like, maybe a hippo? Maybe I should have made it a different color, or maybe a border. I think a border would have been nice. I do really enjoy my choice of background color, that's very cute. But I mean, I can only see mouse when I'm looking at it, with its tiny little ears. It's so cute. Anyway, not the worst square I've made, but not my favorite either. What do you guys think? Would you make this? Let me know. had I not started over and had there not been any sewing, this would have been really fast to make, but it did take a fair amount of time. It's getting dark outside and everything because of the amount of time I spent redoing the edge, border, purple color, and sewing everything down. That being said, I'm very excited for the next square, which will be, I think, the last animal? Yeah, it will be. And it's going to be a giraffe. It's going to be so cute. Look at his little face. Anyway, on that note, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!